Yo, 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 what it do, y'all? I'm here to show y'all my WWE belts. It's a nice little collection for now. For now, it's a start, but it's a beautiful start. You know what I mean? So, this is what I got so far. Ready? So far, we got the Big Eagle, metal, happy sexiness, right? We got the new IC with the rock side plates. Oh yeah, the new IC chambers, beautiful, beautiful tip. Then we got the universal red belt, not the blue one, not yet, but it will be there soon enough. And then my favorite one of them all, this is Intercontinental, old school classic sexiness. You can't go wrong with these. These are beautiful. Some people don't get it, but I do. And the puppy's just right there, just chilling with it. She loves these belts. She's just like me. Big into WWE. Because not only do I have that, one of my prized possessions is this, the Undertaker urn. It's 21-0 urn. It was a gift, something that I like, something I got for my birthday. It's a beautiful thing, man. Yeah, so I have a few more to invest in and buy, and hopefully I find some for deals and stuff. So far, this is what I got. So far, so good. But who knows? Maybe I got a surprise coming in a few days. Never know. I'm out.
That's what I was thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, this past Friday night, Jeff Hardy made his return to Smackdown.
Damn right he did. Damn right he did. You let him know.
Tonight, the charismatic Enigma goes one-on-one.
Can't wait for him to win the damn WWE Championship again. It's gonna be great, or the Universal one at that.
We're getting set for Jeff Hardy versus Cesaro. We welcome you to the WWE Performance Center in Orlando.
Cesaro,
And we welcome you to ringside for Friday Night Smackdown. Michael Cole and Corey Graves.
Cesaro's being a douchebag.
Is about redemption.
Attacked him and everything, though, for the
Getting
done.
another chance. Yeah, Jeff Hardy's been very open that this last return to WWE could be his final run at greatness. It could start tonight, or it could all end before it starts.
Do-do-do.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first from Cameron, North Carolina.
We should stay away from the neck back. Yeah, his Matt Hardy took everything out of his house.
Jeff Hardy said last Friday night here on Friday Night Smackdown.
Yeah.
He got a lot of blows, but he